dirty up here. Hi YouTube, Noel Brown back at you with another video, also known as PC Basics. Today I'm gonna pretend to be a little country. I mean, I already am a little, but not a lot of people wouldn't count it as country. Anyway, I got my 1993 Sierra here. I'm gonna give her a good wash, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Sweet. Also, to be a country boy, you gotta have a truck. You gotta be proud of it. And you gotta have some sweet modifications, like over that way you can see the Flowmaster exhaust. Yeah, got some nice bulbs in the headlights, and yeah, let's get washing, I guess. Side note: I already rinsed it off, so it's ready to go. It's dirty up here. Alright, so I just realized I should bring this bucket closer for one. And two, I'm going to move you closer so you can see what's going on here. Alright, that seems good. Sorry for the noise. People are cutting down trees and stuff, so hopefully that's not too much of a bother for you guys. Okay, first off, we're starting with the front. The grill, the hood, windshield, I guess. Yeah, so let's get going. I'll give it another dip. There we go. Oh man, it's a little hot out. Alright, so that's done. Let's rinse it off. Get down here real quick. So if you see, it came pretty clean. It's looking pretty good. I gotta finish getting the window cleaned off with the soap. If you'll notice here, this down here is looking pretty dirty still. So I gotta get a different towel rag thing for that, and I'll show you how to clean that. So I got this little sponge thing here. We're gonna start with that. Alright, dip it in the soap, and then you just want to carefully rub on this, get it nice and clean. I have a lot of paint chips here, obviously, because it's the front of the vehicle. But you do what you can. Let me get you guys closer here. I don't know how shaky this will be, but really just want to scrub in there really well and not get it caught in the front bumper thing here. There we go. That's as clean as that will get because it's mostly paint chips, but let's hope that looks good. Let's spray it off. Spray my hand off too. Alright, so the front is done. Time to move to the side. Alright, we're back. For those of you who haven't cleaned before, you always move top to bottom. I don't know why you wouldn't have cleaned in your life, but so you know. Alright, moving on to the back. Tailgate's done, back bumper's done. Onto this side, the right hand side, and then I'll show you the wheels. I don't know if I'm cleaning the interior yet, but we'll see. Oh yeah, it's good, all right. Rim numero uno. Wow, so I need two things for the rim. Some simple green and this, like a brush like this. Put the brush in the soap water. Come on. Spray the rim with a lot of simple green. Do the same for the rest of it. Alright, all the rims are sprayed. You're gonna want to let it sit for like a minute, 30 seconds, something like that. Spray it back off. Take your brush, scrub the rims really nice. This doesn't take more than like 20 seconds. Oh, 20 seconds per rim if you don't drop the brush. You don't want to scratch up everything. Even though your rims and tires are some of the dirtiest part of the car, obviously. So that rim's done. And spray that right back off. Be careful where you spray. You don't want it spraying right back onto the truck that you just cleaned, or car. So one rim done. I'm gonna get the rest done, and then we'll be out of here. So, truck is done. I'm gonna start drying it. Simple answer. If you don't want them to get streaky, you do those first. And the phone hits the ground. Alright, back on the tripod. I knew that was going to happen at least once. I got a Samsung with a curved screen, and the tripod does not like that at all. Okay, stay. It's not going to stay. We'll do this quick. Done the best I could get them, and tilt this so it doesn't fall. Time to dry the rest of the truck. Alright, so that is how you clean a vehicle. Now I'm just going to do a few revs for good measure. Start it up, rev it up a few times, get it nice and loud for you. Now I probably shouldn't do that considering the engine's not warm, but there's kind of a cold start rev for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like the truck, if you think I did a good job, if I should do more of this. I know it's a PC channel or an electronics tech channel, but you gotta show off the truck when you got a nice truck, okay? So have a good one. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Obviously, if you want to, you don't have to, but thanks for watching. Adios.